It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski dad. Time for the lightning round. I'm starting with Gabe in Michigan. Gabe.
Hey, Jim. How's it going?
Not bad, Gabe. How about you?
Hey, pretty good. Appreciate all the advice as always.
Oh, thank you.
All the coaching. And if there's a time I needed coaching, it's right about now. I've been in this company since 2020. The fundamentals are strong. However, analysts are revising the outlook in the other way than I'd like, and that is with Devon Energy. The time to go.
All right, it's too low. It's too low. I've been saying sell. At the $40 region, I am now switching, and I'm saying enough is enough. $40 buy Devon. All right, let's go to Sean in California. Sean.
Hey, what's up, Cramer?
Not much. How are you, Sean?
I'm doing pretty good. Hey, Supergroup just had a business update where they stated they expected to guide double-digit growth for both revenue and EBITDA in 2024. Any new thoughts?
Yeah. Look, I think maybe because it was a SPAC, maybe because it's not well presented. I don't know what's going on because I do know that it is a very good company. I like DraftKings, though. All right, I'm a DraftKings guy, and I think that stock is headed much higher. Let's go to Will in Kentucky. Will.
Hey, Jim, this is Will in Lexington, Kentucky. Thanks for taking my call. Hey, I know we're drastically underbuilt in terms of residences in the United States, and this company makes parts that go into buildings of all sizes. What do you think about Simpson Manufacturing, SSC?
Just kind of a classic good stock, though. See, now Will from Lexington is coming to me with a stock. It's not sexy. It's not that interesting. It's a business and a good one. And he has got what I call horse sense. Let's go to Bob in New York. Bob.
Hey, Jim. How you doing today?
Not bad. How about you, Bob?
Not bad. Thanks for asking. Jim, this morning on Squawk, you mentioned the CEO who was trying to scare people, and I agree with you on that. This same CEO is becoming quite the whiner, and he doesn't appear on Mad Money with you. Jim, what's your take on Barry Sternlicht and Starwood?
All right, first, let me just be clear. I think Barry's a terrific guy. I have a predilection these days for not having people coming on and saying that the sky is falling. I think there's other ways to do it. I think you have to be a little more nuanced. This is hard for me. I was always a hatchet man. I am now telling people who come on air, if you use certain terms that scare people, you may not be doing it. You're doing a disservice to yourself and to your viewers. There are problems with commercial real estate, no doubt about it. But they're not nearly as dire as Mr. Sternlicht says, or else his stock would be at zero. And that's what I have to say. Jason in New York. Jason. Jason, come on, don't be upset with that last thing that I said. Oh, my God, how about Sean?
Yo, booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Yo, man, how you doing? What's happening?
Good, how are you? First time caller, man. Listen,
first time.
Some of you in the past year. I live not too far from where you're from. Wondering what you think about Woodward. Stock ticker WWC.
I have always liked Woodward. I've liked Woodward from when I first started the charitable trust. It's just a plain out manufacturing company. We expect it to go down a little bit here because the market is ugly. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.